Greetings sir, I'm Dave Christian S. Gamba of BSMT3 Canopus, and in this video I'm going to explain the IMO performance standards for ECDIS operational and functional requirements, specifically on the topic calculations and accuracy, performance test, malfunctions alerts, and indications, backup arrangements. So let's proceed to the first slide. Calculations and accuracy. The accuracy of all calculations performed by ECDIS should be independent of the characteristics of the output device and should be consistent with the system database. Bearings and distances drawn on the display or those measured between features already drawn on the display should have accuracy no less than that afforded by the resolution of the display. The system should be capable of performing and presenting the results of at least the following calculations. First is true distance and azimuth between two geographical positions. Second, geographic position from known position and distance or azimuth. And third, geodetic calculations such as spheroidal distance, rhomb line, and great circle. So basically in this slide, it pertains to the display of the ECDIS that has an independent characteristics that involves the calculations and accuracy. So the system must be able to perform and present as being aforementioned the true distance and azimuth of geographical positions, the distance and the rhomb line great circle must be able to be presented by the ECDIS. Next, performance test, malfunctions, alerts, and indications. ECDIS should be provided with means for either automatically or manually carrying out onboard tests of major functions. In case of a failure, the test should display information to indicate which module is at fault. ECDIS should provide a suitable warning or indication of system malfunction. Okay, so when ECDIS having those manual or automatic onboard test of major functions, in case of failure, the test must be able to provide and specifically indicate on which module is at fault. And by that, the users of the ECDIS, the sailors specifically, would be able to identify and aware on which module must be repaired or fixed at the moment of failure. So next slide is backup arrangements. Adequate backup arrangements should be provided to ensure safe navigation in case of an ECDIS failure. So 1. Facilities enabling a safe takeover of the ECDIS functions should be provided in order to ensure that an ECDIS failure does not develop into a critical situation. A backup arrangement should provide means of safe navigation for the remaining part of a voyage in the case of an ECDIS failure. Okay, so the backup arrangement, as it says that whenever an ECDIS has this major failure or malfunctions, there should be a means or facilities to have that backup plan or contingency backup arrangement to have that safe mean to obtain the information of an ECDIS to avoid that critical situation to arise. Okay, so that would be all, sir, in this topic. It's all about the calculations and accuracy, performance tests, malfunction alerts and indications, and backup arrangements. That would be all, sir, and thank you.